Hi everybody, TGIF, it's Kim. I am coming to you today at the end of a long week because I have some junk journal kits left over from our sale last weekend, so I thought I'd do a quick video and see if anybody's interested. These are loaded to the hilt. You're getting anything you could ever want, need, or use to start a junk journal, to continue with your junk journal endeavors, to replenish your stash, add to your stash. So these kits, I have 3 left, and they're $20 plus shipping. And we figured out during the sale that the cheapest shipping is going to be the flat rate padded priority envelope for $7.75 if you're in the U.S. However, I do also ship international. These kits are just under 2 pounds, so there's a lot of stuff. So let me get to it and show you what you get. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, you can message me at kimlippincott87@gmail.com. That'll be in the description box below. You can comment under the video. You can message me on Facebook. That should help with that. So you're going to get a manila envelope like this that is stuffed full of goodies. So let me show you what you're going to get in here. You're going to get a yard of this really cute, it's like a jute trim with these wooden beads and these little balls. So you're going to get a yard of that for dangles if you're making a altered book or a junk journal. Let me do this. You're going to get one of these vintage cut work napkins. The color of the napkin is almost like a tea stain. It's a linen napkin, and the cut work is a gray, and they're just super, super pretty. Be really pretty for pockets and things. So you're going to get one of those. You're going to get a vintage sewing pattern, so you can use the sewing paper in your journal making. You're going to get a vintage golden book. This one is my first counting book. Let me see what the copyright is on this. 1957. And as you can see, it's in great condition. There's no marks or anything. Excuse me. You're going to get a couple of white heart-shaped paper doilies. You're going to get 5 glassine bags, which we all know everyone loves these. So you're going to get 5 of those. You're going to get a vintage Christmas greeting card. And you get another vintage card, which is this really, really fine paper with the torn edge. You're going to get 3 of these recipe papers. It says from the kitchen of ingredients instructions, and then it's like a gold foil. I hope the camera's picking that up. It's a gold foil detail on that, and there's 3 of those. You're going to get 2 of these planner pages that say "Get Stuff Done" with this really cool lady on it, and they're double-sided with the holes for your planner. I love putting those in journals as well. You're going to get this really nice piece of vintage piano roll, and what I love about this one is it has the words listed on it as well. So as you know, you can do a lot with these. Make tags, pockets, tucks, flips. You're going to get, whoops, 3 napkins. They're different in each pack. This is the ones that come in this pack for decoupaging. You're going to get a popcorn bag. These are always super cute, especially if you're doing like a carnival themed. And then you're going to get these are printer papers. They look like they're coffee stained. However, you can put them in your printer, and they're double-sided, and print out your digis on these, or just use them in your journals. They're absolutely gorgeous. And there's some different designs. So you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. You're going to get 5 sheets of craft paper. and 10 vintage encyclopedia pages. And I made sure in each kit there's some good images. There's at least one map. You know, they're not just all text. There's some flowers. So you're going to get 10 of the encyclopedia sheets, little vintage. You're going to get a piece of wallpaper. And you're going to get 5 of these vintage music sheets. And they are like a beigeish color, so they already look distressed for you, which is awesome. So that's everything that you're going to get in your manila envelope, but there's tons more. I really loaded these, and I tried to put everything that I could think of that you guys would want, need, or use. So you're going to get a bunch of little bags as well. Let me see, we'll start with this one. So you're going to get one glassine bag that's got a bunch of yummy tags and things, and I apologize for the crinkling. So let's see. In this bag, you've got 2 alteration tags. You've got 10 artist trading coins, and some are pattern paper, some are solid, some are made out of paint chips. You've got a Library of Congress library card and a little envelope to put it in. You've got a vintage postcard. Again, they're all different in each pack. You've got a seed packet, and they're all different. You've got these 2 cute little tags. You've got 5 shipping tags with the string. You've got a really cool metal tag. It's like galvanized tin. You've got a leather tag and a time card that's red on one side and blue on the other. So that's everything in this first bag. There are 5 little goodie bags that come with your manila envelope of goodies. So I think that's a great deal for $20. It's tons of stuff. Okay, so the next bag is this little blue organza bag, and this is a ticket pack. And there's 110 tickets in here, so you will not need to buy tickets again for a while, unless you're actually making like ticket books with your tickets. But we've got these yellow ones with the balloons. Those are doubles. And then you've got these plain blue ones that are numbered, and they're doubles. And then you've got 2 different kinds of carnival tickets, the pink 50 cents and the orange with the star. So you've got 110 tickets in your little blue organza bag. That's bag number 2. And then bag number 3, you've got 6 white library cards with self-adhesive pockets. You've got 20 coin envelopes, and you've got a little coin envelope that's sealed like this, and it's got 6 book plates with hardware inside of here, and they're like an antiqued gold finished book plates. So that's what's in your third bag. But wait, there's still more. You have got this bag, and this bag has vintage black seam binding, a couple of yards of that, a couple of yards of this ivory textured thread. You've got 4 of these little white round doilies. You've got a pack with 16 bulb pins in it, and they're gold, like the antique gold, black, and silver. There's 4 of each. And then you've got a whole bunch of buttons, as you can see. You've got some that look like that. You've got these cobalt blue buttons with a shank. You've got these cool, like ribbed gold buttons. You've got these are kind of like a charcoaly gray leather button. And then my favorite, this one that says Liberty Bell. don't know if the camera's going to focus, but it's got a little Liberty Bell on it. So that is bag number 4. Probably shouldn't have decided to put all this back together while I'm showing it to you. I just don't want to lose any bits. And then your last bag, bag number 5. Has fabric swatches, these little bitty fabric swatches, and they've got a little texture on them. There's a whole bunch of different ones of these because these could be for your fabric flips or tucks or things. And then you've got 2 of the board game cards. You've got 2 of the whimsical, they're like a fantasy game. So you've got 2 cards from that. You've got 2 Young Players Trivial Pursuit. You've got a pink playing card, a mermaids playing card, this playing card with the compass. Oh, you got 2 of them in this pack. Score. And then you've got a vintage Norman Rockwell playing card. So all of that goes in your last bag. So that's about everything. I've got, let me see, the 3 golden books that we have available. You saw in this kit it was my first counting book. So the other ones I have are Animal Daddies and My Daddy. And this one, the copyright is 1968. And then the last one I have is a Christmas golden book, and it's Sesame Street, I Can't Wait Until Christmas. And this one is copyright 1989. So those are the 3 general kits that I have still available for $20 plus shipping. I hope you enjoy them. And I will be back again in the next few days with some more videos. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.